Hello friends, in this video we will study how to write a set by using a rule method, or it is also called as a set builder method. We will solve the question number 5 from your practice set 1.1 of your textbook on page number 4. The questions I have written them over here. The question is given as write the following sets using the rule method, and the first example is given as a is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 up to 100. Some numbers are given. If you observe these numbers properly, you will come to know that these numbers are squares of some particular numbers. Okay, so while writing this particular set which is already present in listing method, we are going to write this set by using rule method. So we are going to write its answer as a. The name will be unchanged. A is set of all x such that this particular vertical line is called as a such that it is read as a is set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n is a number whose square is written in this particular a set. Now if you observe these numbers, you will find one thing, that these all are natural numbers: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 up to 100. So we can specify in condition as n belongs to capital N. This sign is called as belongs to. Also we can see that last number is 100, and we know that 100 is a square of 10, 81 is a square of 9, 64 is a square of 8, and so on up to 4 and 1. So the value of small n is limited only up to 10. So we can say that small n is less than or equal to 10. So we have written the answer for our first question. Capital A, we have given some numbers and all these numbers are squares of some numbers. So the answer is written as A is set of all x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to natural number set and n is less than or equal to 10. Moving further to the next question, set B is given as 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. In this particular set also, you will notice that all the numbers are multiples of 6. All the numbers are multiples of 6. So simply we can write this by using rule method as B is a set of all x such that x is equal to 6n. Why we have written 6n? Because all these numbers are multiples of 6. See, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18. So the value of small n is 1, 2, 3 up to 8, because 6 8s are 48. So only up to the value of 8 the small n is running. So for specifying the condition, we can say that small n, it also belongs to set of natural numbers. N belongs to capital N and n is less than 9, because only up to 6 8s are 48, means for the value of small n equal to 8 we are having the elements in a set. That's why I have written as n is less than 9. Moving further to the next example, set C is given as SMILE, the word smile. So we can write this as C is set of all x such that x is a letter in the word smile. Don't forget to complete the curly bracket when we finish the answer. Next question is given as D is equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. This is a set of all the days of a week. So we can write its answer as D is equal to D is set of all x such that x is a day of the week. And the last one, capital X is equal to AET. Now these are the letters in the word T also and from the word eat also. So while writing its answer, we can write it as capital X is equal to capital X is set of all X such that X is a letter in the word T. T or eat also, anything you can write, because these letters are occurring in both of these words. Thank you.